Hey, I'm Krystan, a MotorClothes Associate at Harley-Davidson of Rock Hill, and I wanted to take a minute today to tell you a little about the Harley-Davidson Capstone Sunshield Modular Helmet. Harley-Davidson made this modular helmet with the rider's comfort in mind. They added lots of great features such as better venting to keep it cool inside, and a washable liner that wicks away dampness and fights bacteria. This modular helmet is also Boom Audio 20S Bluetooth compatible and includes a retractable sun shield that blocks 95% of harmful UV rays. This helmet is made of an advanced polycarbonate shell with a double D ring chin strap and comes in rocker red, gloss black, and liquid steel. The Capstone modular helmet also uses the quick slide shield replacement system for quick, secure, tool-free removal and installation. If you want any more information about this helmet or any of the other products that we sell, feel free to call us or stop in and see one of the MotorClothes Associates, such as myself, and we will be happy to help you. In the meantime, ride safe.